So have you done your drawer that I told you to? So hari ni I nak ajak you untuk mengemas satu lagi section, which is your wardrobe. This is the most important category of all, and let's do your Ramadan audit with me together to open the door to more barakah in our home. Okay, so stop scrolling. Lepas ni jangan buat apa-apa. Lepas ni you buat apa yang I suruh you buat ni, okay? So stop scrolling and open up your wardrobe. Buka wardrobe you and tengok satu-satu apa yang you ada dalam almari tu, and kira berapa banyak baju yang you dah tak pakai the past 1 year. Setahun je, I tak suruh 5 tahun, I tak suruh 10 tahun, tapi the past 1 year. And I nak you kira berapa banyak frozen money in your wardrobe. Berapa banyak yang you dah spend tapi tak diguna pakai. Those used to be money. So, tanya pada diri sendiri kenapa you beli barang-barang tu. Sometimes you bukan boros. Sometimes it's just mindless spending, mindless shopping without knowing the reason why you bought all those things. Or maybe you beli masa tu pada waktu tersebut, you nak guna tapi lepas tu you rasa macam it doesn't serve me anymore. So the joy was during your purchase, but not anymore. So it's time to let go, because those clutter blocks the barakah in your home. Because those clutter bermakna you tidak mensyukuri apa yang you ada. So sekarang kita nak invite more kesyukuran, more gratitude in our life, so that gratitude will invite more barakah in our home.